Discover how Chinese culture fosters smart saving habits and financial discipline in this eye-opening video. The purpose of this video is to enlighten viewers on effective saving strategies that have been embraced in Chinese culture, offering insights that can be applied universally. As we navigate through various money-saving techniques, viewers can expect to learn practical tips that not only enhance their financial literacy, but also encourage a mindset shift towards saving. Understanding cultural differences in saving habits is crucial, as it allows us to appreciate diverse approaches to financial management. For instance, many Chinese families prioritize saving over spending, often viewing it as a means of securing their future and supporting loved ones. This perspective can inspire us to rethink our own financial behaviors. Personally, I have found that adopting some of these practices, such as budgeting meticulously and prioritizing needs over wants, has significantly improved my financial situation. By sharing these experiences, I hope to engage viewers and encourage them to reflect on their own money-saving habits. Throughout the video, we will highlight specific strategies that have proven effective in Chinese culture, such as the importance of community support and the value placed on frugality. By the end of this video, you will not only gain valuable insights into saving money, but also develop a deeper understanding of how cultural influences shape our financial decisions. Join us as we uncover these secrets and empower ourselves to achieve better financial health. When examining the cultural factors influencing saving habits in China compared to the United States, one cannot overlook the stark differences in gross savings rates. China boasts one of the highest savings rates globally, often exceeding 30%, while the US typically hovers around 7–10%. This significant disparity highlights a cultural emphasis on saving money deeply rooted in Chinese society. In China, saving is often viewed as a virtue, reflecting values such as prudence, responsibility, and the importance of financial security for future generations. Families prioritize saving to ensure stability and support for their children, which is a fundamental aspect of their cultural identity. In contrast, American culture tends to emphasize consumerism, where spending is often celebrated and seen as a reflection of success. The societal pressures in the US can lead individuals to prioritize immediate gratification over long-term financial planning, resulting in higher levels of debt and lower savings rates. The influence of advertising and social media further exacerbates this trend, creating a culture where owning the latest gadgets or luxury items is often more valued than saving for the future. Additionally, the American dream promotes the idea that success is tied to material wealth, which can detract from the importance of saving. By understanding these cultural differences, we can gain insight into how societal values shape our financial behaviors. Ultimately, recognizing the significance of saving in Chinese culture versus the consumer-driven mindset in America can inspire individuals to adopt more balanced financial practices, fostering a healthier approach to money management. In Chinese culture, intrinsic values associated with money are deeply ingrained and often taught from a young age. Children are educated about the importance of saving money early on, with parents instilling lessons about financial responsibility and the value of hard work. This foundational understanding encourages children to develop a habit of saving, often reinforced through practical experiences, such as receiving an allowance or participating in small entrepreneurial ventures. One fascinating aspect of Chinese culture is the concept of lucky money, or hongbao, which is traditionally given during celebrations like the Lunar New Year. This practice not only symbolizes good fortune and blessing, but also serves as a teaching tool about the significance of money. The act of giving and receiving lucky money emphasizes the importance of sharing wealth and the joy that comes from generosity, while also reinforcing the idea that money can bring happiness and prosperity. Furthermore, in Chinese society, money is often viewed as a measure of success. Achieving financial stability is seen as a reflection of one's hard work, dedication, and social status. This perspective can drive individuals to strive for financial success, as it is closely tied to familial pride and societal respect. However, this emphasis on financial achievement can also create pressure to succeed, leading to a complex relationship with money. Overall, the intrinsic values associated with money in Chinese culture highlight a blend of responsibility, generosity, and the pursuit of success, shaping how individuals approach their finances throughout their lives. Demographic factors play a significant role in shaping saving habits in China. particularly in the context of the one-child policy, which was implemented from 1979 to 2015. This policy has had profound effects on family finances, as families often focus their resources on a single child, leading to a heightened sense of financial responsibility. With fewer children to support, parents tend to save more to ensure their child's future, including education and home ownership, which are highly valued in Chinese culture. This concentrated investment in one child fosters a culture of saving, as families prioritize long-term financial security over immediate consumption. Additionally, the one-child policy has contributed to a skewed gender ratio, with a notable preference for male children. This imbalance has implications for financial success, as it creates a competitive environment among men for marriage and social status. In a society where financial stability is often equated with desirability, men may feel pressured to save aggressively to secure their future and attract a partner. This dynamic further reinforces the culture of saving, as individuals strive to meet societal expectations. Moreover, the combination of a shrinking workforce and an aging population due to the one-child policy places additional financial burdens on families, compelling them to save even more for retirement and healthcare needs. Overall, these demographic factors intertwine to create a robust culture of saving in China, where financial prudence is not only a personal goal, but also a societal expectation, shaping the financial behaviors of individuals and families alike. Concerns regarding retirement savings in China are increasingly prominent, particularly due to the absence of structured retirement saving systems like the 401k and IRA that are common in the United States. In China, the retirement landscape primarily relies on state pensions, which are often insufficient to cover the rising costs of living and healthcare. This reliance on pensions raises fears among the population, as many individuals worry that the government-provided support may not be sustainable in the long term, especially with an aging population and shrinking workforce. As a result, there is a growing recognition of the need for personal savings to supplement these pensions. Yet many individuals lack the financial literacy or resources to effectively plan for retirement. Moreover, the importance of saving extends beyond retirement, encompassing critical areas such as healthcare and education. With healthcare costs rising sharply, individuals are increasingly aware that relying solely on state provisions may leave them vulnerable in times of medical need. Families often prioritize saving for their children's education, viewing it as a pathway to better job opportunities and financial stability. This dual focus on healthcare and education further emphasizes the necessity of building a robust savings culture. As individuals seek to secure their family's future against unforeseen expenses. Consequently, the combination of inadequate pension systems, fears surrounding retirement security, and the pressing need for savings in healthcare and education creates a complex financial landscape in China. Addressing these concerns is essential for fostering a more secure and financially literate society. One effective budgeting method that has gained traction among Chinese people is zero-based budgeting, ZBB. This approach requires individuals to allocate every dollar of their income to specific expenses, savings, or investments, ensuring that their income minus expenditures equals zero at the end of each budgeting period. The effectiveness of zero-based budgeting lies in its ability to promote financial discipline and awareness, compelling individuals to critically assess their spending habits and prioritize essential expenses. By starting from a zero base, individuals can identify unnecessary expenditures and redirect those funds towards savings or debt repayment, fostering a more proactive approach to financial management. To implement zero-based budgeting, one can begin by listing all sources of income and categorizing expenses into fixed and variable costs. For example, if a person earns 5,000 yuan a month, they might allocate 2,000 yuan for rent, 1,000 yuan for groceries, 500 yuan for transportation, and 1,500 yuan for savings and discretionary spending. Each category should be carefully examined and adjustments made to ensure that every yuan is accounted for, ultimately leading to a balanced budget. Tracking every dollar spent is crucial in this budgeting method, as it allows individuals to gain insights into their spending patterns and identify areas for improvement. By diligently recording expenses, individuals can make informed decisions about where to cut back and how to allocate funds more effectively. This level of financial awareness not only enhances saving habits, but also cultivates a sense of control over one's financial future, making zero-based budgeting a powerful tool for achieving financial goals. In Chinese culture, several key strategies contribute to effective saving, reflecting a deep-rooted emphasis on financial prudence and long-term stability. One of the primary strategies is the avoidance of luxury goods and status symbols. Many individuals prioritize practicality over ostentation, often viewing excessive spending on luxury items as unnecessary and even wasteful. This cultural mindset encourages people to invest in experiences or necessities, rather than material possessions that do not provide lasting value. By steering clear of luxury goods, individuals can allocate more of their income towards savings and future investments. Another important strategy is the principle of living off a small percentage of income. Many Chinese families adopt a frugal lifestyle, often aiming to save a significant portion of their earnings, sometimes as much as 30% or more. This approach not only fosters a habit of saving, but also creates a financial cushion for emergencies or future opportunities. By consciously limiting their spending to a smaller percentage of their income, individuals can build wealth over time and achieve greater financial security. Additionally, there is a strong focus on distinguishing between needs and wants in spending habits. Chinese culture emphasizes the importance of prioritizing essential expenses, such as housing, education, and healthcare, over discretionary spending. This mindset encourages individuals to critically evaluate their purchases, ensuring that they only spend on what is truly necessary. By adopting these strategies, avoiding luxury goods, living within means, and focusing on needs versus wants, individuals in Chinese culture cultivate a robust saving habit that supports their long-term financial goals and stability. Cooking at home offers numerous financial benefits compared to dining out, making it an appealing choice for those looking to reduce food expenses. One of the most significant advantages is the cost savings associated with preparing meals at home. Ingredients purchased in bulk or from local markets are often much cheaper than the prices charged at restaurants. For instance, a home-cooked meal can cost a fraction of what it would at a restaurant, allowing families to stretch their budgets further while enjoying nutritious meals. Personally, I have fond memories of family meals prepared at home, where we would gather in the kitchen to cook together. These moments not only fostered a sense of togetherness, but also allowed us to experiment with different recipes while keeping our food costs low. For example, making a large pot of soup or a stir-fry can feed the entire family for several days, significantly reducing the need for takeout or restaurant visits. Additionally, these home-cooked meals often become opportunities for socializing, as we would invite friends over for potluck dinners, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere without the hefty price tag of dining out. I encourage viewers to adopt similar habits by planning meals, cooking in batches, and involving family members in the process. Not only will this approach lead to substantial financial savings, but it will also enhance family bonds and create lasting memories around the dinner table. By prioritizing home-cooked meals, individuals can enjoy healthier options while keeping their finances in check, ultimately leading to a more sustainable lifestyle. In this video, we explored the cultural and practical reasons behind saving money in China, highlighting the unique strategies that contribute to financial health. We discussed how cultural values emphasize the importance of saving, with practices such as avoiding luxury goods and focusing on needs versus wants shaping spending habits. Additionally, we examined the impact of demographic factors, such as the one-child policy and the reliance on pensions, which further underscore the necessity of building a robust savings culture. By adopting methods like zero-based budgeting and cooking at home, individuals can significantly enhance their financial well-being while fostering a sense of community and family bonding. The key takeaway is that understanding these cultural insights and practical strategies can empower you to take control of your finances. By implementing these approaches, you can cultivate healthier financial habits that not only secure your future, but also promote a more sustainable lifestyle. Whether it's prioritizing savings, budgeting effectively, or making conscious spending choices, these strategies can lead to greater financial stability and peace of mind. We encourage you to engage with us by subscribing to our channel for more insightful content on personal finance and cultural practices. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends and family who might benefit from these tips. Your support helps us create more valuable content and fosters a community focused on financial empowerment. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.